back to the Keigh in the Kitchen on Schooling Discoveries. It's
the silly season!
Today we'll be cooking baked chocolate chip donut balls. And we'll be playing a little game with them later as well. So it's a tasty game, but enough of that, let's get into the video. Well, we've tried and tested a few packets, and this one seems like the best. It's pretty quick and easy. It's like 10 minutes to prepare, and then you shove it in the oven for about 15. So, the first step is preheating the oven to 180 Celsius. So, it seems I have not turned on the switch for the gas, or whatever the foot switch is for the oven, so I'll go turn that on. And we're back! So, now that that is on, preheating, we've got about 9 minutes to prepare everything, comparing to the packet. First step, place everything in bowl. Okay, so I'll open the packet. The mix, the other mix, and this thing that has the instructions. I need that. I now need a wooden spoon. Not exactly a spoon, but a spatula will do. Donut mix goes into the bowl. And in it goes. Add the egg. So we're going to do it in one hand. Yay! Okay, so I seem to have forgotten my apron. A little voice in the back of my head said so. Oh, there's the voice now. Well, we have that. What's the next step? You've got the egg, very professionally put in with one hand. Vegetable oil. I need 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I need a tablespoon. Ingredient 4 of step 2. Water. I need 2/3 of a cup, which should be 2 of those. Let me get the water. 1/3. 2/3. It says now, mix with wooden spatula/spoon until the ingredients are combined. Distribute batter evenly between muffin cups afterwards. Okay, I think that's mixed now. We can put it in the baking trays. Okay, trays are now all buttered up. The mixture can go in. little cooker. Also known as the oven. Have a nice time burning. Now they're cooking. We're gonna do a little bit of a 15-minute wait. Oh, it's ready. That's all. So we grab the gloves. Oh, they look nice. They look crisp.
You destroyed one. I've got a lot of bounce in there.
Alright, let's take these out. One. Dos. Uno, dos. Tres. 20. Done. Okay. So that's 20. Now we're going to nuke some butter. The microwave butter has arrived. Add the sugar. Okay, so after you put the butter all over, mix it around the sugar, completely coat the thing, so you give yourself the possibility of needing a root canal operation, and then dump it on the other plate where the finished ones are. Done. Well, we've now finished these half donut balls, no holes by the way. So, now I'm gonna go over with Jesse, we're gonna play a little Christmas game. Let's do it! You ready? Let's do it!